Your phone has a secret identity, something that even you might have never seen. And you don't need any app. Just one short code and the truth appears on your screen instantly. Let me show you. Take your phone in your hand, open the dialer and type very slowly star hash 06 hash. Don't press call, just type. The moment you finish, a number will appear on the screen. Then that number is called the IMEI International Mobile Equipment Identity. It's like your phone's fingerprint, unique and unrepeatable. Not even two phones in the world shares the same IMEI number. Why is this important? Imagine your phone gets stolen, lost, or blocked by a network. This number can trace the device, help in police reports, and even stop someone else from using your phone. If you ever change your phone, write this number down safely. It can literally save your data and privacy one day. This number also tells companies if your phone is real, refurbished, or fake. One small code and you know the truth. So now you know the code to reveal your phone's hidden identity. Try it once, it takes just 2 seconds. If you want more secret codes, follow this channel. I will show you the next code that opens your phone hidden menu.